First, we mix the blue color for the sky from the top. So with the brushes, you can see from darker to the softer color diminishing in the blue strength. Okay, continues up to the ground. For the ground, we're taking the green color and putting it with these types of brush, which looks like a greeneries or the green fields. We need more green, putting the deep layer. You can see deep layers here. Okay, and just drawing these types of stuffs. Okay, taking a smaller brush, and you can see the length of the grasses here. Awesome. If you like, you can draw a bird over here which is flying upward. Let's take the orange color and draw a bird. Okay, so this is the head looking upward. You can see the tail, and you can see the wings. All right, if you want to draw the details, just draw like this. Another wings you can draw here, and you can see the details. Awesome. So another one, tail, head, wings, and the wings. Draw the details of the feathers here. Okay, and a few dots over here to show the flowers on top of the grasses. All right, on top you can put some cloudy effect, just if you make the variations with the brushes here. So you can see the changes of the cloudy effects. So that's it. Just you can add a little bit of the dark blue if you want more variations, and the drawing is finished. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. It's a nice showpiece indeed.